Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own hot sauce. To begin, select about 1 pound of fresh, ripe chili peppers. Their quality is key to a great sauce. You'll also need 1 cup of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1/2 cup of water to form your basic liquid. For added depth, think about incorporating aromatics like garlic or onion, or even a touch of fruit. Once your ingredients are ready, wash and remove the stems from your peppers, then roughly chop them. If you're using aromatics, gently sauté 1/2 cup of chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in a tablespoon of oil until fragrant. Next, add your chopped peppers, 1 cup of vinegar, 1/2 cup of water, and 2 teaspoons of salt to the pot. Bring it to a simmer and cook for about 20 minutes until the peppers are very soft. After simmering, let the mixture cool slightly before carefully transferring it to a blender or food processor. Blend on high speed for 2 to 3 minutes, or until it reaches your preferred consistency, whether you like it chunky or perfectly smooth. For an extra refined sauce, push the blended mixture through a fine mesh sieve, using a spoon or spatula to extract all the liquid. Discard any remaining solids. The final step is bottling your delicious creation. Sterilize your chosen bottles and caps by boiling them for 10 minutes, then let them air dry completely. Once your hot sauce has cooled, carefully pour it into the sterilized bottles, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Seal them tightly. Your homemade hot sauce is now ready to enjoy and can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.